Next section, heredity and environment. All traits depend both on genetic and environmental factors. Heredity and environment interact to produce their effects. This means that the way genes act depends on the environment in which they act. In the same way, the effects of environment depends on the genes with which they work. For example, people vary in height. Although height is highly heritable, environmental variables can have a large impact. For example, Japanese Americans are on the average taller and heavier than their second friends who grow up in Japan, reflecting the effect of environmental variables, especially nutritional differences. In human development determined by heredity and environment, differential influences of these two factors result in individual differences in personality and behavior, nature and nature controversy. Look at this picture, nature and nature controversy. Look at this, environmental nature. This is genetic nature. Heredity, genes and chromosome factors. Meaning, heredity is the passing of traits to offspring from its parents or ancestor. Definition: heredity is defined as the passing on of physical or mental characteristics genetically from one generation to another. Look at this picture. This picture shows that hemophilic transfer from one generation to another generation, normal male, carrier female. In next generation, two children are affected by, one children is affected by hemophilia, another child carrying that genes. Look at this picture, shows that the disease transfer from generation to generation. Red in color affected, blue in color not affected by disease. In second generation, look at this, two females become affected by the disease. Then third generation as well as two. Environment, the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or planned lives or operates. Define environment. The sum total of all surroundings of a living organism, including natural forces and other living things, which provide conditions for development and growth as well as of danger and damage. Role of growth and maturation. Variables of behavior in individual. Female ovum, male sperm. Genetic materials from the parents. Biological characteristics like color of eye and skin, etc. Psychological characteristics such as intelligence, temperament, etc. Factors of biological maturation. Noticeable behavior and anatomical growth from the prenatal, and individual begins to experience his environment. Human development is equal to heredity multiplied by environment. Behavioral genetics. Heredity is the foundation of behavior. Behavioral genetics study the genetic factors determine behavior. Genetic framework. Genes. The physical and psychological traits are transmitted to one offspring to another. Through genes. Chromosomes. Every cell has chromosomes. Every chromosomes composed of many genes. Each genes made up of a large and complicated molecular of hereditary materials known as DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Look at this picture. DNA, RNA. The role of DNA, medium of long-term storage and transmission of genetic information. RNA, ribonucleic acid. Role of RNA, transfer the genetic code needed for this creation of proteins from the nucleus to the ribosomes. Male and female provide 23 pairs of chromosome, totally 46. both male and female, the first 22 pairs are same, but 23rd pair of cells differ according to sex. Symbol XY normal male. Symbol XX normal female. Abnormality genetically determined disorder. Look at this picture. Sex determination. Parents. Males 44 chromosomes XY. Female 44 chromosome XX. The sperms carrying X or Y, but X or ovum carrying both X. Then children's females 44 chromosomes X and X, male child having 44 chromosome XY. Genetic function. Absence of chromosome occurring, variety of mental retardation. Lack of specific gene leads to phenylalanine. Results accumulation of phenylalanic acid in brain. Tuner symptoms for female. Visual agnosia. Present extra chromosome leads to Down syndromes or Mongolism. Trisomy 3 chromosomes. One, twin studies, detail going on. Twins are compared with their fraternal twin. Comparison of traits like intelligence partly determine heredity. In case of identical twin, separated life, the environmental influence being minimal. Experiment evidence, genetic influence, mental disorder. Look at this twins. Types of twins. 1. Identical twins. One egg is fertilized and then splits, forming two identical embryos. Second, fraternal twins. Two separate eggs are fertilized by one sperm each, forming two embryos. Three, semi-identical twins. One egg is fertilized by two sperm. Look at this picture. Identical twins, monozygotic. Fertilized egg, two cell stage, single zygote, divides in two. Look at this. Fraternal, dizygotic twins. Fertilized egg, two cell stage, single zygote. Fertilized egg, two cell stage, single zygote. Look at this picture for better understanding. Look at this picture for more understanding. Sperm, egg, identical. For more visualizing, dizygotic, monozygotic. Look at this, twins, physical similarities. Second, selective breeding studies. Experiment on selective behavior of breeding animals. Classic study of Robert Toyon. Animals, mousy bright and mousy dull. Consistent environment. Mousy dull rate poor at learning them. Conclusion, heredity contribution to learning ability. Look at this picture. The inbreeding studies involving inbreeding strains, inbreeding animals related to sibling one another. Different types of experimental method was used. Conclusion, heredity play a significant role in behavior. Look at this picture. Role of environment. In nature and nature controversy play a equal role. Study on rates of two groups, enrich environment, improvise environment. Findings. First finding, enrich environmental groups greater learning ability. Second, more efficient neural transmission. Hence, heredity and environment passing equal role. Role of heredity in intelligence. Study findings. Person with high hereditary potential with reared in poor environment, his IQ will be lowered, and person with low hereditary potential is bright up in stimulating environment may show a slightly improved IQ. In short, individual need high hereditary potential as well as stimulating environment. Role of heredity in emotion. Emotions make living colorful. Studies indicated emotionality, at least to some extent, is inherited. That is, being shaped by influence of environment of the individual. Significance of heredity and environment. Relative role of heredity and environment. First, heredity form the basis for most of human traits. Second, the environmental factors influence and responsible for final shaping of traits. 3. Enrich environment, improvise the behavioral in traits. 4. Learning abilities and intelligence determined equally by the heredity and environment. 5. Individual differences also influence by heredity and environment. Studies support to environment. The hereditary traits as height appear to be susceptible to environmental influence, as is seen from fact that generations of American, Chinese of the Californian coast, in spite of inbreeding, were on average taller than native Chinese. In study in New Delhi by Brunner and colleagues found that delinquency and criminology, result of antisocial environment. A difference between social heredity and biological heredity. Biological heredity automatically transfer through genes. Social heredity acquired by individual through the process of learning or socialization. Heredity and health. Health status depends upon their heredity. Various diseases transferred from parent to child. Hereditary diseases, diabetes, hypertension, cancer, stroke, heart diseases, Down syndrome, depression, schizophrenia, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, polydactyly autism, inflammatory bowel syndrome, obesity, Huntington's disease, gene therapy. Gene therapy is a promising new field of medical research. In gene therapy, researchers try to supply copies of healthy genes to cells with variant or missing genes so that the healthy genes will take over. Role of heredity and environment on health and sickness. Heredity and environment contributing equal role to determine health status of individual. Communicable diseases more influenced by environment. The non-communicable diseases by equal contribution of heredity and environment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.